What is it?
If you like to talk to tomatoes,
If a squash can make you smile. If you like to waltz with potatoes up and down the produce aisle. We had a show for you. Veggie Tales, 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 Veggie Tales.
Broccoli, celery, collard bean,
Veggie Tales.
Sweet
Sweet and sour, half an hour.
VeggieTales.
Veggies.
Like VeggieTales. Like VeggieTales. It's time for VeggieTales.
Someone,
You thought that was funny.
someone, hello? Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. And no pretzel praise. It means no worries for the rest of your day.
It's a problem.
No,
free.
only I think.
Okay.
I'm a good teacher.
Okay.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata.
Ain't no.
And no pretzel praise. It means no worries for the rest of your day. It's a property, a lot of things. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata? Yeah, it's a month. What's a month? What's a month to you? I got down the floor. My friend was so down with the shame. He was ashamed. And I'm changing my name. What's in the name? Got down, huh? How did it feel? Poopa. Not for kids. Now you try.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no fancy parade.
No, sorry. Forgot one. It means no worries for the rest of your day. It's a
problem
only
free.
I sing.
I thought both were singing.
No. I didn't say it. But it means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem free and lots of fee. Hakuna Matata. It's no worries for the rest of your day. It's our problem free and lots of
Fuck.
fee.
It's fuck. You can't take it anymore. Philosophy. Say philosophy.
Philosophy.
Say fuck. La. Sophie. Philosophy.
So, philosophy.
No, philosophy.
No, so, philosophy.
Say fuck.
Philosophy.
Philosophy.
Hey, I'm already done. I want this like this.
I know it's super cute, but I can't keep it like that right now.
Please.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I can't keep it like that.
Yes.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Yeah.
It's all problem free. Philosophy. Oh. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna. All right, keep your hands up.
Hakuna
Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna
It means philosophy.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Ow, Dad.
Sorry.
I'm going upstairs.
Wait, I got like 2 more.
2 more. That doesn't take forever.
No, I don't take forever. Keep your head up.
Ooh.
Don't scratch.
Pat it
Pat it.
like Mommy does when her hair's not messed up.
Well, Mommy's hair is itching. Yeah, she pats it.
Ow, Daddy.
Sorry. Head up.
For rest of your day. It's a proper.
You're so dramatic.
For love, God. So I am. That's who I am. That's who I am.
You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. You're a good, good father.
It's who I am.
It's who you are.
It's who you are. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. But a perfect God. Hi guys. Hey. I'm gonna take a picture. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take a picture too.